What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Fleetwood Trades Crypto. Today I'm talking about a token that I've only mentioned briefly in one of my other videos. I'm talking about Suipad, and that's a launch pad built on the SUIP chain. And guys, it's making a pattern on the charts that looks phenomenal. It looks very strong. And I know everybody's been upset about Pumptober, Uptober, whatever, not really hitting the way we thought it would. But in my last couple videos, I told you guys that, you know, last year it was 2 weeks into October of down before we got a nice strong pump and finished up, I think, 33% up for the month. Even back in like 2021, the October started down and had a pump up. The pump will come. I can't guarantee anything, but I'm very confident the pump will come and October will be strong still. If you're not familiar with Suipad, it is the launch pad for IDOs being launched, that, you know, people can launch new tokens and get their IDOs up on SUI, and you can stake Suipad tokens here on their site. And you know, they got 14 million tokens locked, 18,000 total staked, and average lock is 30 weeks. So I mean, it's a good APR, 21.59% if you lock in for a year. Now, I wouldn't suggest to lock in for any specific amount of time. That is you do your own due diligence, you set up your time and what you feel comfortable with. I locked in early this year in March, so that's why I locked in for a year. I expect this sometime early in 2025 to be a peak, so that's why I wanted to get everything out so that I could have time to exit the market in 25 if that's what I see fit. Also, taking a look at the top blockchains ranked by total value locked, SUI has almost $1 billion total locked. It's number 7 overall, higher than Avalanche, higher than Polygon. There's a handful: Optimism, Aptos, higher than Linea, Bitcoin's up there, but you see higher than Ton. There's a lot of tokens that are bigger overall that don't have as much value locked. And with that, Suipad is a great low cap, very low cap token to get exposure to the SUI network, to the SUI chain, without having to buy it at currently price of over $1. So Suipad is currently sitting at 10 cents, and unfortunately, if you would have bought in on Friday, September 6th, you could have got it at 2 cents. This made literally a 5x, or actually almost a 9x almost, when it peaked in the month of September. It made a 9x. And you see, prior to this, it was up, and it ranged between 10 and 20 cents for a while. From December of 23 until April, it ranged between 10 to 20 cents. In this area, that was a support that finally cracked when the market just lost liquidity. Everything was just going down. Everything dropped. That support has been broken back above, and now is holding a support again. And it's making a very textbook bull flag. This is a very textbook bull flag, bull pennant, whatever you want to call it. But it's getting ready for its next leg up. You see, it got way overcooked. It got way overbought here at about 86 on the RSI. It's come back down. It's settling around 57. And you know, I'm not saying that we won't test this support one more time. It's possible we go back a hair under 10 cents. But overall, we're looking for a big breakout to get well above the 20 cent range and start pushing towards the launch high. You know, that first day launch high of about 64 cents. And honestly, for this token, my range to get out is going to be between roughly between $1 to $3 is what I'm looking at to see what this thing can do. And it's going to depend a lot on how strong the SUI chain, how strong their network gets, how much money gets added into it, how much people build on it. And then when people build more with ICOs and IDOs. More IDOs means more need for this Suipad token. It actually has a utility to be able to stake so that you can buy early on these IDOs. So that's how this works. You buy the Suipad token, you stake it on their site, then every IDO that is offered on it, you get access to buy the IDO. So that being said, guys, this pattern is just, it looks great. I'm glad I'm in. I average in between 9 and 6 cents. I didn't quite get the bottom, or I didn't get close to the bottom. I think my average was between 9 and 6. But yeah, I'm back in profit and looking good. And I can't wait for this to go at least another 10x from here. So anyway, guys, I hope you got something from this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And as always, until next time, peace.